welcome back to my channel. So if you can't tell by the title or what you can see in front of you, today I am showing you guys a grocery haul. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while on my channel at least. I do post them on Instagram quite frequently, but I haven't done like an actual main channel YouTube video on a grocery haul. So I thought today would be a good day to show you guys. So all up, I think this costs like roughly $150, which is pretty standard for us most weeks. We do have to buy like our cat food, kitty litter, you know, things like coffee and stuff that can be kind of expensive, but you only have to do it like once a month or something. There's just a few of those things and like your household items like deodorant and all that kind of boring stuff. On food, I reckon we spend about $100 a week, and we shop at Aldi and also Woolworths. We're very lucky they're like next to each other where we live, so we can kind of, you know, do the cheaper shop at Aldi and then whatever we can't find, go to Woolies. But yeah, I feel like this is pretty much what we get most weeks. We're pretty boring when it comes to our food, but it keeps us like healthy, it keeps the grocery bill down, and we just love this type of food. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. But without further ado, let's get onto it. But first things first, we've got like the fresh produce over here. So we have an iceberg lettuce. This is for wraps this week. Andy puts it in his rolls for lunch, and also I'm gonna make taco bowls as well. We almost should have got 2 lettuces to be honest, but yeah, so we got an iceberg lettuce. We've got some mandarins. Those are for Andy. He usually has mandarins or oranges. I've got some carrots. Again, this is for the taco bowls this week. I've got a few bananas. We used to get a bunch of them, but Andy stopped eating them, so these are just for me this week. I've also got some seedless grapes. We've got some coleslaw mix. This is for lunch today. Just being honest, I probably could have made this myself, but it was just kind of a lazy, like we're throwing together a lazy lunch, so I got that. Next up we have my favorite yogurts ever. You guys probably hear me talk about them all the time, but it is the YoPro yogurts, and my two favorite flavors are banana and caramel. They kind of just taste like desserts to me. Like the caramel one is so good, but the banana is like that fake banana flavor, if you guys know what I mean. Like it's kind of like a lolly banana flavor. So I love these as just like a sweet treat. Honestly, all the flavors are really good, but these are like my top 2 favorites. For Andy's yogurt, he just gets the Aldi thick and creamy. I don't know. Don't ask. And then also from Aldi, I just get my mixed berries because they're a couple of dollars cheaper than at Woolies, and I usually just chuck these in smoothies. Meat sauces this week, we've got sweet soy barbecue chicken steaks. If you've never tried these before, you have to. They are so good. This one's my favorite, but they do have like, I think 4 other flavors. I never used to be someone who would buy marinated chicken just because I prefer to do it myself at home so that it's not like full of stuff. But again, this is just like the perfect lazy meal. You just put it on the fry pan, do some potatoes and some veg, and you're good to go. We've also got just chicken tenderloins. We're gonna make homemade Nando's this week. So we've got like wraps and chips, and that's what we're gonna put in them. And then for my taco bowls, I just have 5-star beef mince. I was thinking about doing turkey, but I just feel like beef is better. And PSA, always get the 5-star leanest beef mince that you can. It's a lot less calories, like honestly half the amount of calories as like the regular beef, and less fat, and it's just better for you anyway. So always try and get like the highest rating beef mince. For milk, I hope you can see that, but Andy's just got full cream. I've got 2 lots of almond milks. And we've also got some coffee because thankfully it was on sale this week, but we also needed it. We've just got some light tasty cheese. That's always just a handy thing to have in the fridge. I've got 2 lots of basmati rice, which equals 4 cups or 4 serves. I usually make my own rice, to be honest, but this is gonna sound crazy. When I make taco bowls, I feel like I want almost dry rice. Honestly sounds bizarre, but when you cook rice in a rice cooker, it's like all sticky and just like that perfect consistency when you have them like curries and stuff. But when you want taco bowls, I kind of just want dry rice. I know that sounds actually bizarre. Maybe someone will agree with me? I don't know, but that is literally why I bought this instead of making my own, because I prefer this in taco bowls. Don't ask. Next up we have these. These are my favorite things ever and they were on sale this week. I literally got the last box. I went in the other day and they were completely sold out, and then today obviously we went in and it was the last box on the shelf. So I'm so happy. These are the best. I put them in the microwave for 20 seconds and I usually have it for dessert with like some berries and yogurt or berries and ice cream, but they're amazing. Even just like as an afternoon pick-me-up with a coffee, the best things ever. Andy's little snacks for his lunchbox makes him sound funny, but he does pack his own lunch. So he's got these muesli bars and cheese and crackers. I also love cheese and crackers. They've got a fair amount of protein in them and they're just a good snack. So I'll usually buy the light version of those. Moving on to bread. These are both Andy's, but I do sometimes have peanut butter on toast for breakfast because there is nothing better. So we just get wholemeal bread. I think that's from Aldi. I'm pretty sure. These are from Aldi too, and they're just wholemeal rolls, which again Andy just has for his lunches. I've got spice mix again for the tacos. I always get reduced salt, or I make it myself if I'm not feeling lazy. But as you can tell by the rest of this haul, I was feeling a little bit lazy today. Alright, I need to move this camera back because I'm all up in your grill. Hopefully that's okay. So then we just have like a bunch of random stuff. I don't know if anyone cares, but we've got fake tan, deodorant, shaving cream, carpet stain remover because of the cats, and I also have makeup remover pads. So that's just the random stuff, but the stuff that you kind of need to get. We've also got the lemon and herb Nando's marinade. This is what we're putting on our wraps this week. We have this quite a lot actually. It's so good. It's pretty low calories as well, but if you love Nando's, definitely try this. It's the bomb. They also have like the other, like the mild and hot versions as well, but I'm a wuss. And then I also have coconut oil for like baking and when I make pancakes and stuff. Now we have kind of like the fun stuff, and I wanted to include this because I don't want to pretend that we literally eat healthy 24/7. So we're having chicken tenders for lunch today with the coleslaw. I kind of just felt like an American inspired southern fried chicken, coleslaw and chips. So that is literally what we're doing. So we've got some frozen fries. It's a Saturday, like why the heck not? And we also got Easter chocolate because Easter is around the corner and I couldn't resist. It was half price. I will say I am pretty good with this type of stuff in my house. Like Andy will literally finish it in a day just because he can't help himself. But for me, like I will literally have like 1 egg a day and be fine. So I don't feel like guilty or anything when I buy stuff like this. I don't feel like I need to down it the first day I buy it or anything. I literally just have 1 or 2 a day and I'm good to go. So that is why we bought those. I also have an energy drink. This one is the Monster Zero Sugar Ultra Rosa flavor. I don't know. Everyone on Instagram is talking about it, so I thought that I had to try it. Pink lemonade, wine, guava, strawberries, grapefruit. Sounds interesting. I don't know if I'll like it, but I'm obsessed with the sugar-free Monster range. The white one and the orange ones are the best, so I just thought I would give that one a go. And the last boring thing is cat food. It's not really boring for them. They're both literally just staring at me right now. But obviously we had to get them cat food. So yeah, that is literally all we picked up this week. And as I said at the start, this is pretty much the kind of stuff we pick up most weeks. We alternate like vegetables and fruit. Oh, I just realized we didn't even show much in here, but we always have frozen vegetables, so that's why you don't really see any vegetables in our haul. But we do always just have like a bunch of frozen broccoli, peas, beans, carrots, all that kind of stuff. And then also I have more fruit in the fridge. We've got apples, we've got berries, but I just didn't need to buy any new ones this week because I still have like half of the carton left. But yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more grocery hauls because I love watching these. I love finding new like ideas and like fun things to eat. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!